Hi everyone, just a quick video to show you for those wanting to know about how to format the assignment. It's the same for each question. Obviously you've got different boxes, but go to a blank PowerPoint and then go to insert and then new slide, and you go to blank slide, so you can set up 5 or 6, 7 slides or whatever. Okay, then what we're going to do is for the first bit we have to put in a text box, so we just put it in across the top there, and then wherever we've typed our text, I've got it here. I'm just going to copy and paste from question 2 from the practice assignment. So we'll just copy, and then we go down into the text box and we'll paste that, and there's our title there. We can play with the fonts and stuff a bit later, okay, and all that. Then underneath that we've got insert, we've got our actual report. So again, we just put a text box here. We'll go back and we'll just copy our nice report that we've already done, and we'll copy that, and then we'll just paste that into there. So there's our report, okay. And then we can worry about the double spacings, and so things like this you can change it to your times. Where are we? Times New Roman. Sorry, I'll do this quite quickly because I don't want to take too long for you. Times New Roman. Then we can have 12 font, and then we can have the double spaced, etc. Okay, so that'll be what things you can play with now. The tricky bit, I think, for some people is getting out of SPSS. So we're going to go through here, and I think it's on total, for my total expenditure, wasn't it? So as we know, we'll just go to descriptors, stats, and we'll go to explore, and then we're just going to go to total expenditure, stats. We want percentiles as well, continue, and we want a histogram, don't we? Okay, that's enough just to show you for demonstration purposes. So we come here and we'll have our histogram. So we just right click on that and we go copy as image. All right, that's very important, not just copy. Then what we're going to do is we come back and we're going to paste. So you've got, see here, you've got paste and paste picture. That's obviously too big, so we can just very easily reduce that down to size to fit in. It's quite good actually, because then you'll be able to put your other graphs there. But if you want to just stick to how we've got it set up, and that there, we might push it across, and we can then go back and we can get our percentiles, or case processing, sorry, percentiles. Now we want our descriptors first, don't we? So again, copy as image, and then we go back to our PowerPoint, and then we can maybe pop that one in there, and again we can size it. Now don't make them tiny ones like that, okay? And you can see the ease, the way we can move things around. And of course you want to be able to label these, so it's tables at the top, figures at the bottom. So again, we just go back to insert, we go back to text box, and then we might put it across the bottom there, and just the last one to show you, and that'll be enough. So we've got our histogram, figure 2, total distribution expenditure, copy. All right, pretty, oops, just back on there, and text box disappeared. Insert text box. I just wanted to show you how to save it, and then we can, okay, there's our thing. We can now resize things, push things around, line them up, etc., etc. It's probably better for your layout to go design. Anyway, we want to put it as a probably as a portrait type of thing. You can do that somewhere, but that's okay. But anyway, so we go to file, then we'll save as, and we want to save it as, when you go to save it as a PDF. All right, and then just save that somewhere. Okay, and away we go for the next question. Now if you go over to the next page for a few other graphs, that's the way you can do it. I mean, it's a bit easier on Word and it's all on one document, but if you're having troubles, that's the way you can go, okay? So hopefully